If an organization is providing travel insurance for an individual, then DoorSoft can be used for the same. For that, take the mouse over Services, then over Insurance, and then click on New Booking. Capture the customer details first. Now, if the customer is new, enter basic details like last name, first name, mobile number, email, etc. But if the customer is already existing, enter a few characters in the last name and then click on the Select button. Select the right customer that is on call. Having done that, user can see all the details pre-filled about the customer. Now coming up on insurance details, select trip type. Let's say annual, multi or monthly. Enter coverage amount. Let's say 1 lakh. Enter name of the nominee. User can also enter relation with the nominee. Let's say wife. User can also enter travel start date and travel end date at the later stage too. Select between yes or no if it is a US or Canada trip. Let's say no. Enter number of travel days. Enter destination. Let's say Singapore. Having done that, move further on cost details button. Enter premium amount. Enter service charges. Enter service tax. Let's say 10%. User can also enter other taxes like SHN adduces and adduces. Having done that, calculate the total amount. User can also round off the figure. After completing the cost details section, user can fill up customer payment details and supplier payment details as done in air ticketing services. Having done that, user can click on Save. Now go back to the booking details to print bills, vouchers, receipts for the customer and the company. User can search for an existing insurance booking by clicking on Search Bookings. Search the booking in this master search engine, or user can select the customer from here in the list also. Click on the Details button. User can now edit any information as per the requirement by clicking here.